Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Santa Barbara local and long-distance movers near me. The licensed movers at 3 Movers have over 20 years of experience getting customers' belongings from point A to point B. You won't have to look anywhere else for your moving needs because we have all the services you will require, from packing to unpacking. We are always on time and ready to serve our customers. Our excellent level of service comes at an even better price point, and customers will be well informed of our costs with the free quotes we offer. Getting ready for a long road trip? A flight abroad? You'll have so many things to take care of before your long-distance move. Occupying any of your time with worrying over packing or moving would be such a waste. Our movers will pack your valuables with protective packaging and keep them safe for the long-distance move ahead so that you will have more time to worry about the more important things. Your new home or office is located somewhere close to home. On paper, moving locally sounded like an easier job than a long-distance move, but think again. You're still going to have to pack up everything and resettle. Fortunately, 3 Movers offers same-day local moving services. Following a few hours of us doing the work for you, you'll be in your new place in no time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Santa Barbara moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.